All right, guys, today I am going to have Baby Blue out, and I am taking one ride because I can't overpack Baby Blue because she's petite. But anyway, we're gonna go out, see if we can get on some bass. Tis is the season, bro. The bass are biting. They're starting to creep up out of them spawning beds, and I want my jig or my bait or whatever I'm casting to be right there when they start getting that appetite again. So I'm out there, bro. You see it yakking crazy. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna hit you with another one. This is wonderful, bro. This is what it's about. Got Baby Blue out, nice, quick. I don't have to do a lot of strapping down or whatever. She fits right in the back of the truck, nice. We about to see if these fish are biting, bro. Let's go. A lot of trees down, as you see. I'm about to go fish all those trees, bro. So I heard a lot of you guys out there talking about these already, but this will be my first time tying this bad baby on and using it. Here we go. Hellgrammite, baby. I don't even know how to really, which way will I want to hook this up? I don't know, guys. Leave a comment and let me know if I'm doing this wrong, but I guess I'm just gonna Texas rig it, right? Ooh. Go by that tree. Perfect. Got him. Got him. He wanted it. Ooh, nice. Nice. Tire him out, bro, because it's Kayak. Got you, bro. Okay, let's do this. There we go. There we go, guys. I'm getting the hang of it. Nice chunk, guys. Nice chunk. Nice one, guys. Not complaining about that at all. Nice one. You see it, guys. Let's get that released. So I can get out of this tree. Whew, I am over this tree now. I can kayak right over it, but I don't want to. All right, guys, got one in so far. I think that Hellgrammite might be the ticket. Thank you. He wanted it. I don't know how good I have him hooked. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, a little dinker. A little dinker. That is number 2. I think it's safe to say that this Hellgrammite is a success. This is a little dink, but he's short-rated. Peace out, little dinkster. This is the bait I'm using. It's a Hellgrammite, black and blue. Black with blue flake, you know that's my go-to color. Especially with this overcast and this slightly murky water. And I've already gotten 2 on them already, baby. What the Hellgrammite, bro? They're loving it. So, to explain what happened earlier, which I'm glad I didn't lose anything, out here freaking out. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna find a lot of humor in this, especially you guys who know me. So I don't know if you heard, there's a guy flying a drone around here, and it sounded like the wings of some like big critter buzzing. And oh my goodness, I freaked out. I'm not even gonna lie, bro, I freaked out. I almost filled up baby blue with water. I'm so glad I had this around my neck. As you guys can see, you're facing me. I have my GoPro sitting on my life vest. That almost went over. That was enough excitement for one day, bro. I'm so glad I didn't lose anything valuable. But bro, I thought it was like, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I thought it was like a pterodactyl flying behind me. Did you see? I'm pretty sure you guys caught that. Have fun with it, laugh at it. You know, that's just a part of being outdoors. Bro, that was funny. That was funny. Yakking crazy. Boy, I know you guys are gonna be cracking up when you see that. I know you, Jason, Bryson, y'all, oh my God, I'm never gonna hear this down. I already know it. But that's yakking crazy, man. We out here, we got 2 in the kayak. I'm content with that. I didn't have a ton of time, so I'm gonna head back to the launch and get this bad baby back on the truck, bro.